Okay. Oh, there she is. Yay! All right, you ready? Everybody, if you're ready, give us a thumbs up. All right. Awesome. We're going to hand it over to Chef Deborah Goncalves, who is a very, very, very good chef already at such a young age. Her treats are always so delicious, and I can't wait to make these. I've been wondering how they taste. So, Chef Deborah, take it away.
Okay, so first you have to preheat the oven at 350 degrees. Done. Yeah. Has everyone done it yet? Wait.
But thumbs up if your oven's ready or preheated.
Yes.
Good.
So now we're gonna put a cup and a half of flour, 1¼ teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder in the bowl.
Making yummy treats is a messy job, but somebody's got to do it.
Yeah. Once the flour is mixed in, it should be really crumbly, like this. And it should sort of stick together, but not really. Is this good? Yeah, like that.
How is everybody's hand?
Not doing well. Not doing well.
Now, should I roll it out?
Maybe not now.
Don't roll that out. Oh, see, that's the butter bite right there. That's the good bite. That someone's gonna find that, and they're gonna just love it. You know, I used all the same ingredients, but I wanted to do it my way. What do you think? Does that work?
Does it work?
Is that gonna work?
Not always.
Not always? Sometimes it comes out okay, right? I mean, it smells the same. It looks kind of similar. If I bake it up, is it gonna be the same? Deborah's going, no. Deborah knows. Jesse, Jesse says, nope, not gonna be the same. Why?
Why won't it be the same?
Because you got the recipe.
I didn't what?
Because you didn't do the recipe.
But I almost did the recipe. Isn't that close enough?
Think about it.
Is it close enough? I almost did it. Oh, Jesse said I did add an egg and it's the wrong amount.
Yep.
Right? I didn't follow the recipe. Well, guess what, guys? I knew that this day was coming, and I said, I'm just going to wash my hands. They're so yucky right now. Hang on. I said, God, how can I do a Bible lesson off of this? And do you know that when I was a little girl, there was this song, it was about these little church mice, and it talked about a recipe, and a recipe about praising God, right? But then I really got to thinking, and I said, oh, God's word is like a recipe. Look it, I have God's word right here. And God's word gives us all sorts of things to live by.
And videos off.
Jesse, can you show us your finished product? Oh, nice. Did you taste one already?
Mom, I wanna try to make the second batch.
You like them?
Just supposed to add water, like to make it stick, but I added a little too much. This part is bad.
Mine
The other
are
part is
done.
really
Oh, Avia, nice.
good. Just throw this away.
They look good.
I did.
Yours
It did
look
work.
like little patties, round patties. Shauna is saying that you would be good on a kids baking championship, Deborah. Yay! Everybody, give her a round of applause.
Thank you.